What's up, beautiful people? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Andy, aka the Dynamite Natural. I make natural hair and girl talk videos, so if you like this sort of content, don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on your post notifications to all so that you can be notified each time I post a new video. So today I'll be showing you my rice water routine for longer and thicker hair growth. So stay tuned. So first things first, I'll be showing you how I prepare the rice, and I use fermented rice water in particular. So you can use any kind of rice, any type of rice, but make sure it's not polished rice, because with polished rice, specially designed machines remove the husk and other layers covering the grains called rice bran, which is very rich in protein and vitamins. So basically the part removed is the parts containing most of the proteins and nutrients. So you're going to also need water, like you've already seen, and a plastic bag. So first off, we're going to go ahead and wash the rice first to remove all impurities and just filter that out. Next up, I'm just going to fill in the plate with water. So at this point, after I've filled in the plate with water, I'm going to go ahead and knead the rice so that I can release some of the nutrients from the rice bran and the husk that is surrounding the rice, that's on the layer of the rice, to come out into the water. So I'll just go ahead and knead the rice just a little bit, just like you're seeing here. After I'm done kneading the rice will turn a little bit cloudy. At this point, I'm going to use my plastic bag and cover it up. This is going to aid the fermentation process. And then I will leave this to ferment for 24 hours. After 24 hours, I'm going to take off the cover and the plastic bag to show my fermented rice water. At this point, you will notice that the rice looks whiter than before, and it's easy to break between your finger and your nail. You can't break regular ordinary rice, but with fermented rice you can break it in between your finger and your nail, and it looks a little bit white. And it can also smell a little bit funky as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn it into a bowl, a larger bowl. Next up, I'm going to use warm water and turn it into the fermented rice water. This is to aid it to stop the fermentation process. Another way to do this is to put it in the freezer or the fridge for 5 minutes. Next, I'm going to turn it into my spray bottle of water because that's where I'm going to be applying it from. And then I'll go ahead and put in my Jamaican black castor oil, mango and lime. I'll just go ahead and put in a few drops. You can put in any oil at all to, take down the smell. And then I have a bit left in the bowl which I will set aside to use later. Rice water has an array of vitamins, minerals, and amino acids and antioxidants necessary for hair and skin. So right now I'm just going to spritz it onto my hair in sections and massaging in and lightly finger detangle. If you're suffering from alopecia or thinning hair, rice water can be a real game changer because not only have I noticed an increase in hair growth, but it makes detangling easier and reduces shedding, thereby granting you thicker hair. It has various ingredients and nutrients such as amino acids. They are building blocks of proteins. Rice water contains 16% protein, making it an effective DIY protein treatment. It strengthens your hair and adds sheen by soothing your cuticles. Another one is inositol, a special type of protein contained in rice water. It increases elasticity, making the hair more strong and flexible. Another one is selenium. This mineral destroys malassezia, the yeast responsible for dandruff. Killing the yeast can help your hair grow strong and healthy. Another one is folic acid. It helps thicken and strengthen the hair. While you can find this or get this from fruits and vegetables, rice water will allow your scalp absorb it topically to grow thicker hair. The next one is Pitera yeast, a unique yeast found in fermented rice water. It works like an anti-aging elixir for skin and hair by helping to regenerate cells and rejuvenate the scalp. Fermented rice water is more effective than plain rice water. It doesn't take much effort to prepare and it is well worth the extra time. Fermentation lowers the pH of the liquid, and this is similar to our hair's pH, which is also on the lower side, which is slightly acidic. As a result, slightly acidic pH plus the nutrients through the fermentation process helps restore hair's pH balance, nourish hair follicles to promote healthy hair growth, and improve general hair condition. So I'm just going to do a quick length check for you. Right there, my hair is long such that I didn't know it didn't fit in the screen because I used my back camera to film. So I think I have a better one on the thumbnail. The next step is I'm going to apply it on my edges. Whatever hair treatments you do to your hair, make sure you apply it on your edges. Next step, I'm going to put on my plastic bag and my plastic cap or my shower cap and leave it on for 30 minutes. Now that leftover fermented rice water that I set aside, I'm going to turn it into my bathing bowl, and I'll gently take this off, and I will dip my ends into the rice water. Now the purpose of this is, your ends are the oldest parts of your hair, and maintaining and keeping them healthy and not allowing them to break off is the major key to longer hair. So I'm going to dip my ends in this water to let the ends of my hair absorb the nutrients from the rice water. I'm going to go ahead and apply the rest to my skin and massage it in. Rice water helps to repair and rejuvenate the skin. Fermented rice water increases collagen in the skin, which keeps it supple and prevents early onset of wrinkles. It also has natural sunscreen properties and improves skin damage from sun. It also has starch that suits the skin and clears up blemishes and redness caused by skin conditions like eczema, acne, and rashes, and helps to heal and rejuvenate dry skin. Also contains phenolic and flavonoid compounds which can minimize free radical damage from environmental factors. Rice water contains minerals that can tighten skin and shrink pores. It cleanses your skin. Cleansing your face with rice water can help to improve overall complexion and skin tone. So that's what I do with the remnants of the rice water. So after that, I'm just going to go ahead and rinse the rice water out of my hair after keeping it for the 30 minutes and everything. So next up, I'm just going to go ahead and do a light co-wash treatment with my VO5 Herbal Escapes moisturizing conditioner. So I'll get a bit of that and massage that onto my hair. And then I will detangle my hair under running water and let the conditioner just run through and wash my hair. That's the light co-wash. As you can see, like I said, minimal tangles, minimal shedding, minimal breakage. I'll just apply the same thing or do the same thing to the next section. Get a little bit of that, apply it to my hair, detangle under running water, and let the running water run through my hair right while I detangle and let the conditioner gently cleanse my hair. So I'm just going to speed this up and let you watch because I'm doing the exact same thing to other sections of my hair. And as you can see, no shedding or limited shedding, limited breakage. you know. So I went ahead and did the rest of the sections off camera, and this is the last section. At this point, I really just love how my hair was feeling under the shower, so I was just running my hands through it because I really love how my hair was feeling. So don't really mind me at this point. I was just, loving the way my hands were gliding through my hair. Can you see that beauty right there? I was just loving the way my hair was looking, and I just went crazy with the whole detangling. I just love how my hair was looking under the running water. So yeah. So as always, like I always say, whatever you do, whatever treatment you do, make sure that you apply or show some love to your edges and your nape as well, so that, as your hair is growing longer and thicker, your edges and your nape will also be growing longer and thicker and not be left out, in the fun. So after that, I'm just going to completely rinse out my hair, and you can see how luscious my hair looks. My hair has actually gotten thicker over a period of time, and I really love it. I mean, coming from someone whose hair was always thin. So that's the amount of shedding, as you can see, is very little. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope that you liked it. I hope it was helpful. Let me know your thoughts down below. And yeah, if you're not following me on my other social media platforms, go ahead and follow me. It's right there on the screen. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and share this with your friends. Okay, thank you so much. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.